Hey everybody! I was given Canva.com and it was actually really perfect because I already use Canva and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go up here, Canva.com. My computer is really slow, I apologize. Okay, so I actually me and my family own a coffee shop, so if you go down here you can see that I've already created plenty of things. But what Canva is it is a site that just helps you create designs for like a slew of things. I personally, for my coffee shop, I use it for making menus and coupons and yeah, any flyers I want to hand out. And but as far as for a teacher, it has a lot of resources. You can use it for really anything that you're designing for your students. So if you want to design a handout or you want to design just some fun little activity or whatever, you could just come on the site and create it. You can design posters. You can create really anything that you just need um, design for, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to type in here that I want to design a, um, let's go with a reading plan. Oh, let's go lesson plan. I'm loving it. Okay, so you can see here on the left that there are so many options that you can choose as far as templates, or if you really wanted to, you could just go into Elements and they have free photos, they have grids, they have shapes, charts, and it's all really accessible as far as like, even if you're not that great with technology or design, it's pretty easy for you to do, especially since they have templates. They have really nice things like texts, and you can see they've got all kinds of different already formatted stuff here for you, or you can just add a text box. Let's just let's do add a heading. And if you go over here, you can see that they've got text, numbers, colors, boldness, really just anything that you really need for designing something. They have some really nice backgrounds. You can also upload your own stuff. Some of the things some of the things you do have to buy, but that would only be like if you choose a certain picture or design that wasn't in the free category. As a teacher, not a whole lot of stuff you'd have to buy. I had to buy it for my coffee shop, but yeah, so that's a pretty large portion of just what the website is. I'm just going to go back here and pull up a few projects that I've actually done. As you can see that this is just a website for teachers, so you don't have to worry about security issues for your kids or worry about like they can handle the website if it's appropriate for your age group. It's pretty much just for teachers. I did a couple down here. I chose most of these off of templates because that's primarily a lot of the site is templates. You can make your own stuff, but they have such nice ones. So this one I had pulled it up from down here. However, I made quite a few changes to it. So you can go in here and you can really click on anything and change basically everything about it. If you don't like the tech, well, obviously, if you're doing maybe a social studies lesson instead of a science lesson, you can just change things that are there. You can add and replace. They've got so many really pretty ones to play off of. And another one that I have pulled up from that I had looked into earlier was, I believe it's this one. Let's see if it'll pop up. Yeah. They also have some really nice Even things for teachers as far as lesson plans and calendars. Yeah, and really just anything you can think of, they probably have. This one is just a nice little setup for a book review. I'm 4 to 8th, so this is something really great that I could do for my age students. And other than that, that kind of takes up a pretty good base of just what the website is. It's for design, it's for teachers, it's not for kids, it's not for, you don't have to worry about any security issues. And it's just a really, really nice website overall. I really enjoy using it. It's user friendly, it's helpful. So I would highly suggest using this, guys.